Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's my great pleasure to introduce this model 3320B, this remote control smoke detector camera to all of you. And now I will introduce the components of this equipment to all of you. Here is the camera, and the indicator light will fit here. And open up you will find the USB port, SD card slot, and power on power off button is over here. And the microphone. And here's the remote control. Power on power off button, photo button, video button, motion detection button, and the audio button. And now I will introduce the operation of this equipment to all of you. And first we use the push the power on power off button to the on side. And then use the press the remote control power on power off button for one time to switch on this equipment. And it shows the indicator light. And now the red light keeps on is the standby mode. And if you want to record the video, use the press the video button for one time. And the red light flashes 3 times and turns off is recording the video now. And press the video button one more time to stop the recording. And the red light turns on. And if you want to take photos, you should press the photo button for one time. And the blue light flashes one time and shows one photo is taken and reset one more time. Okay, the blue light flashes one time too. And you can also record the video under the motion detection button. So you should press the motion detection button for one time. And the blue lights flash at the same time. And turns off is recording now. And under the motion detection. And then you should press the same button one time to stop the recording. And the red light keeps on. And you can also record the audio along. And press the audio button one time. The blue light flashes several times and turns off. It's recording the audio along now. And then press the audio button again to stop the recording. And the red light keeps on. And finally, use the press the power on power off button one time to switch off the operation. And finally, you should push the power on power off button to the off side to save the power. Okay, that is all the explanation and operation of this equipment. That's all, thank you.